Everybody, you know, got that gas tank getting your pockets. They just, you're reaching in, you're like, tank, empty. What are you gonna do? All right, need some easy replacements here, okay? There's some air filter and pre-filter, okay? There's the Sten's inner air filter 100-780. So it replaces Kohler, blah, blah, blah engines, but this is Briggs Stratton. Replaces Kohler 2503. This is the 102-305. These are replacing Donaldson air filter. This style air filter, if you have it, on Ferris. As you can see, I'm probably not getting the best gas miles per gallon right now, okay? MPGs, baby. And this is the pre-filter, and as you can't tell, but as you see it, can you kind of see that dirt in it? The brown?
Kind of, yeah.
Okay, so it's a little dirty. This is a Donaldson P8 22858. You can pick these up everywhere. It's made in Mexico. Do not clean. April 14th. Okay? Pick these up at your park store, or you can also pick these bad boys up. What the heck is that? At like a farm store, like Track Supply, Rural King. Farm and Home, some of them have them, depending if they have mowers or not, okay? But sometimes they just have it. So what you're gonna do is, because we bought the generic, you'll see there's just some light imperfections. See this? You wanna try to get them out of there though, because you don't want that shit going in your air, in your carburetor. So that's kind of a letdown. As you can see, look at that.
Yeah.
This is Sten's. This is actually poor quality control from Sten's. Usually they're a lot better about stuff. Sten's, let's pick that. That's a bad mold. That shouldn't be happening. But this is just a pre-filter,
Yeah,
so it shouldn't matter. And if you look, what?
Usually Sten's
It's dead on.
Yeah.
You'll see this. I'm gonna take something, I'm gonna rub this off real quick, okay? I actually got a brush right here.
We will not link this one.
I'll link it, but if it works, but you can see, look, see how this is all one piece?
Yeah.
And molded. Oh no, they fold over. But this one goes under and that, but look at this guy. It's just kind of pooey craftsmanship. But that, I mean, that's made in Mexico, the Donaldson, so this is probably made in China. Does it say? Made in China. So that's what you're getting, okay? Look. Mexican work ethic, which is usually pretty good, versus Chinese, which is usually bottom of the barrel. I don't know how they're the strongest, most powerful economy in the world. I guess because they put out crap and we buy it. Make sense? Because this is crap. How much was this?
Like $16.
16. How much was this at Rural King? It was like 20,
30.
30. I don't know. I should call my dealer and see. I might have to get this in my dealer thrown out because that's pretty poopy. I'll put a link. It's probably going to work if it's letting you know it's not the quality level of this. Okay? I want to be truthful with y'all that hey, this thing's a little weird. The whole. Because this one is not as good a quality, what we're gonna have is a fitting problem. There you go. The rubber's softer where this one's like made for it. Okay? So that's that. It works. We'll see how it holds up. That one is the original maybe?
Yeah, it is.
And I'm at 600 hours, so it held up fine. Okay? Okay, new filter. Sten's 102-305, and its quality control was much better. It looks pretty similar. Their rubber does have, if you look, their molding moves. It's not, see how this is like, they got it on this one too. This one's not as good. So this is not as good as that pre-filter. Pre-filter's perfect. This is, alright. So here we go. Type thing getting it in there. Let's make sure it still fits. Nice. There we go. Like a glove. No? Like a glove. I don't know. Okay, here we go. We're just gonna leave that there for a second.
Okay.
Let's hear this baby purr. lining that had nothing to do with the air filter. That is the starter, and every once in a while my starter decides to not pull itself all the way in, so it's lightly rubbing it. So I need to put some lube on there because everything winds a little less with more lube. It's just how it is. Okay? So I'll put a link to both of these. I'll let you know how they're working, but I'm telling you straight up, boom, right there. The quality control is good, but it does fit and it works. So we will see if their inner filtering fabric is as good. It may be poo, but for half the price, you can replace it twice as often. You know, do it every half the summer. I do these once a year, so I could do it half the time and still be good. But then what's the point, right? Yeah. So yeah, that's it. I'm gonna put links below if you want to buy them. Like I said, their quality's not good, but you are paying half the price. So think about if that's worth it to you. I don't know if I'm gonna buy these. Okay, straight up.
Well, we bought the big one. The big
seemed okay, but they're probably not gonna buy this one. I don't want to take chances with the machine's air filtration system and messing up my carb and going boom. Okay, so, but it may be fine. It's a little low quality, but I mean, when they're low quality, I can see how much low quality is there in the fabric. It may not be actually filtering. It might have too big of holes where microparticles of dirt are just right through. Okay, so that's it. I'm putting these below. If you want to buy them, buy them. You buy them on my links. Same price if you don't buy them through my links. I might get 30 cents. So help me, help you, help me. I'm gonna put a link below the playlist on my mower repairs. Please like, subscribe, it helps for times. And as always, I'm RJ. Seize the day each and every day. Bye bye.